Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel print page setup. To begin, navigate to the File tab, then select Print. Here, you will find the Page Setup option, which opens a dialog box. Start by choosing your desired page orientation, either portrait or landscape, to best fit your data. Next, ensure you select the correct paper size, such as letter or A4, matching your printer's settings for optimal results. Now, let's refine your layout with scaling and margins. You can scale your worksheet to fit on a specific number of pages, for example, 1 page wide by 1 page tall, ensuring all content is visible. Adjust the top, bottom, left, and right margins to give your printed document a clean look. You can also choose to center your data on the page, either horizontally or vertically, for a balanced appearance. Enhance your printouts with custom headers and footers. You can include page numbers, dates, or your company name for a professional touch. Under the Sheet tab, you have options to print grid lines, which can make data easier to read, and to print row and column headings. Crucially, you can set specific rows or columns to repeat on every page, ensuring context for large datasets. Finally, control exactly what prints by defining a print area. Select the cells you want to include, then set them as the print area. If you need to print everything again, simply clear the print area. Before hitting print, always use Print Preview. This crucial step allows you to see exactly how your document will look, helping you catch and correct any layout issues beforehand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.